grabbed my golden potatoes. Now I'm coming in with my green beans. And I did drain these. Woo! Right in my air fryer, you guys. I have here some red onion. And I did some big kind of chunks because it is gonna shrink up in the air fryer. We love a good red onion, purple onion, whatever you call it. Now for our protein, I have this kielbasa. I don't know if I'm saying that right.
I think you said it right, babe.
And we are using just under the whole thing. We're not using the whole thing because it's a little too much meat to fit in our air fryer.
The more meat, the merrier, duh.
And just make sure all those pieces are ripped apart. Ooh, this is gonna be delicious. This is a super easy, quick dinner for a weekday or whatever. All right, we didn't need that much meat because we're gonna add more meat. We have some bacon bits in here. We're just gonna sprinkle that right in our air fryer with our other veggies and our sausage. Make sure to get that out.
I didn't even see it.
Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna do some garlic powder, but you can season this however you like. You guys know I love garlic powder on everything I make. Ooh, look how delicious that looks.
Now it's really coming together, huh?
Yeah, I love using my air fryer because it's so fast. All right, now we have some onion powder. Doesn't that look delicious?
It looks phenomenal. I like how the bacon always complements the green beans and the potatoes. It's perfect.
Exactly. Okay, now we're gonna finish off our seasonings with some black pepper. This one comes out quick, so I gotta be super light with it.
Oh,
beautiful.
Perfect.
All right, and now to add, some moisture, we're gonna add some olive oil to this. Just a nice little drizzle on the whole thing. Okay. All right, beautiful. Now, before we get this going, I'm gonna go ahead and give this a nice mix. Make sure everything gets coated in that olive oil and that seasoning. Oh my gosh, look at all those beautiful colors. You could obviously use some fresh green beans if that's your style, but I like the canned because it's already a little, soft for you, so it cooks up super quick. And then those potatoes are just gonna be golden and delicious. This is gonna cook up super quick and it's gonna be amazing. Okay, beautiful. Now we're gonna go ahead, close up our air fryer. We're gonna turn it on, air fry. We'll turn it down to I did the time first. We're gonna turn it down to 350. Perfect, and then we're gonna do it for 15 minutes. And then we're gonna have the best dinner ever. All right, it smells about ready, so I think I'm gonna stop it early, 5 minutes early, so that's 10 minutes. Oh my, would you look at that? That looks ready, right, babe?
That looks perfect. You can tell by the sausage.
All right, let's pull this baby out. Oh my gosh, doesn't that look delicious?
Yeah,
Woo!
look at that.
Okay, now we're gonna finish this off with a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Oh, it's just gonna add the perfect flavor in there. Delicious. Look at those potatoes, look nice and crispy. Yummy. And then finally, I'm gonna add some chives. Just some nice fresh chives. Don't worry, I already washed these the first time I used them. And we're just gonna chop some chives up right in there. It's just gonna go really well with that bacon and that sausage, the potatoes, the onions. I mean, chives just complement those flavors so perfectly, right, babe?
Yeah, they really do.
All right, get your serving platter of choice and let's dig in. Oh my goodness, that looks so good. Woo!
It's like steaming.
Yeah, everything is perfectly cooked. Yum, yum, yum.
Perfect meal for two.
Beautiful. Okay, I'm so ready to try this. Look at this extra crispy piece of sausage. That's what I want to eat. Oh my gosh, maybe some green beans. Mmm. 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 That's so good.